What's up everybody? Welcome back to Dad Does Videos. I'm in the process of redoing our staircase. So when I say redoing our staircase, it's painting the posts, the railings, the banister, the risers. As you can see here, I'm also going to be putting in new spindles. I took out the old wooden ones and we're going to be putting in some black wrought iron ones. When you go through the painting process for this, I'm going to be using tack cloths. And I wanted to talk a little bit about tack cloths today because whether you're painting and sanding or sanding a piece of wood that you're eventually going to be painting or staining, it makes sense to use tack cloths. So if you're not familiar with what they are, they're just basically kind of sticky cloths. You can pick them up, they're really cheap. This is a pack that I picked up of 3 at the Home Depot. It was like $2.97. They're the same cost regardless of where you get them. But what's nice about them is they, unlike a paper towel, and I think people typically use paper towels or maybe cloths or even microfiber cloths to kind of wipe up the residue from sanding. So what using a tack cloth does is it picks up all those pieces of residue or dust, anything like that. The benefit of a tack cloth is it's sticky, and once you go over it, it just picks things up and gets it out of the way and doesn't push it around. So in just going over this spot right here, which I have not done before, as you can see, it's picked up a little bit of residue from the steps. So going over your sanded spots every time before you put another layer of paint or stain on top of them helps ensure you get a nice, smooth finish. Thanks for watching.